Poland has signed a $6.5 billion executive contract with South Korea's Hyundai Rotem to deliver 180 K2 main battle tanks to the Polish armed forces. The agreement marks the revival of tank manufacturing in Poland after more than a decade and is part of a broader effort to modernize the country's armored capabilities. The signing took place on Friday, the 1st of August, at the Bumar-Łabędy plant in Gliwice, which will play a key role in the domestic production process. "We are returning to the serial production of tanks in Poland," said Major General Artur Kuptel, head of the Armament Agency. Under the deal, 116 tanks in the existing K2GF configuration will be delivered between 2026 and 2027, followed by 64 tanks in the new K2PL configuration between 2028 and 2030. Final assembly of 61 K2PL tanks will be carried out at Bumar-Łabędy, while the first 3 units will be built in South Korea and tested due to configuration changes. The K2PL variant is tailored to the operational needs of the Polish Army and will include NATO standard upgrades such as reinforced armor, active protection systems, an anti-drone system, and modifications based on the use of the earlier K2GF tanks. The K2PL version reflects our specific requirements and lessons learned from earlier deployments, Kuptel added. The contract also includes a comprehensive package of logistical and training support. This encompasses a significant stockpile of ammunition, spare parts, special tools, testing equipment, documentation, and simulation-based training systems for instructors, crews, and technical personnel. In addition to the tanks, the Polish Armed Forces will receive 81 K2-based support vehicles between 2029 and 2031. These include 31 armored recovery vehicles, 25 engineering vehicles, and 25 accompanying bridge layers, with Polish defense companies such as OBRUM and Bumar-Łabędy participating in the design phase. As part of the agreement, Hyundai Rotem will equip Bumar-Łabędy with the tools and machinery required to establish a K2PL assembly line and support the transfer of technology to Polish industry. This includes the domestic production of key components such as the hull, turret, suspension system, main armament, and autoloader. The new deal builds on the 2022 framework agreement and deepens defense ties between Warsaw and Seoul following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. In recent years, Poland has also procured South Korean K9 howitzers, Fa-50 aircraft, and Chunmoo rocket artillery systems. With Bumar-Łabędy now transitioning from maintenance to manufacturing, Poland is poised to become one of Europe's main hubs for tank production. The move is seen as a critical step toward securing long-term readiness and industrial autonomy for the country's land forces.